Okay, question 6. If there are 8 numbers with a mean of 10 and 12 unknown numbers with a mean of 16, what is the mean of all 20 numbers? So we have 10 numbers with a mean of, there are 8 numbers with a mean of 10. So remember our formula that the mean equals to the sum divided by n. So we know that this mean is 10, and we don't know what the sum is, but we know that the n is 8. So now we can cross multiply. So 10 times 8 equals to the sum. The sum here equals to 80. The second sentence, there are 12 other numbers with a mean of 16. So again, we can say mean equals to the sum over n. The mean is 16 and n is 12. So we can cross multiply to find the sum. The sum of the 12 numbers is 192. So we have 8 numbers with a sum of 80, and we have 12 other numbers with a sum of 192. So now you can say that the total sum is 80 plus 192. We got 272. And in total, we have 20 numbers. There's 8 numbers and 12 other numbers. So n is going to be 20. So now we can say that the mean is 272 divided by 20. We get 13.6. That's the answer. Question 7. The mean of 50 numbers is 18. So again, we're just going to find the total sum here. If there are 50 numbers, then the mean is 18. So the sum is just 50 times 18. We got 900. If the mean of the first 30 numbers, so maybe I'll just call this sum 50, sum of the 50 numbers. The sum of the first 30 numbers is 16. So the sum of the first 30 numbers will be 30 times 16. We get 480. What is the mean of the last 20 number? So I can say that mean of the last 20 number is the mean of the 50 number minus the sum of the first 30 numbers. So the sum of the 20 numbers is 420. Now the mean will just be 420 divided by 20. We get 21. Question 8. The mean of 3 numbers is 12 and 2/3. So the sum of the 3 numbers is 3 times 12 and 2/3. We get 37. If the second number is 1 less than 3 times the first, so the first number is x, the second number is 1 less than 3 times the first, so 3x minus 1, and the third is 1 more than twice the second, so twice the second plus 1. What are the 3 numbers? So we have x, 3x minus 1, and 6x minus 2 plus 1, right? I just distribute in, and negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So now we can just add these. X plus 3x minus 1 plus 6x minus 1 equals to 37. We get 10x minus 2 equals to 37. So 10x equals to 39. And x equals to 3.9. So what are the three numbers? The first number is 3.9. The second number will just be 3 times 3.6. I mean 3 times 3.9 minus 1. So 10.7. And the third number is 6 times 3.9 minus 1. So I'm just going to check my answers because usually we get integer answers. This is question 8. 7.5. Question 8. Yeah, so I did something wrong. Let me see. So the first number is x, second number is 3x minus 1, third number is 6x minus 1. That's correct. When I add it up, I get 10x minus 2 equals to 37. That should be correct as well. Well, actually, it's 38. Yeah, that's where I make the mistake. This is actually 30. Let me see. So 12 and 2/3 times 3 is 38. So that's where I made the mistake. So this will be 40. And x is going to be 4. So the first number is x. The second number is 3x minus 1. So 3 times 4 minus 1, we get 11. And the third number is 6 times 4 minus 1. We get 23. And that's the answer. Okay, the last question is question 9. The mean of 50 number is 38. So the sum of the 50 number is 50 times 38. We get 1900. If the number 44 and 55 are removed from the set of 50 number, so if we remove two numbers, we have 48 numbers left. So this, and the sum will be 1900 minus 45 and minus 55 because those two numbers are being removed. We have 1800. So the mean of the remaining 48 numbers will be 1800 divided by 48. And we get 37.5. Okay, that's it for 7.5. I will see you in 7.6.